Okay, this is a 1988.5 Suzuki Samurai that our shop, Samurai Salvage, has gone through and done numerous things to. New brakes, tires, wheels, stainless steel exhaust. Interior parts. We got the pickup style, very unique pickup style top that goes all the way down to the floor, which is very unusual. A high flow stainless steel exhaust, stainless header, new brakes, new shocks, 55,000 miles, no rust at all. Underneath is all clean around the wheel wells and fender seams. Got some clear coat peeling off the hood. Other than that, video of the interior. The driver's seat on the upper lumbar's got little tears in it, and nice dash. We've replaced the cubby door, glove box door is new, brand new stereo. The rest of the interior is pretty nice. Original door panels in good shape. 1.3 engine, everything runs perfect. Compression check was all 160 pounds on all 4 cylinders. Say factory air conditioning needs to be charged, but everything's there. And stainless steel header, stainless steel Borla muffler, 2-inch all the way to the back. And motor and everything, perfect condition.